Looking for reverse osmosis maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to keep your water filtration system running at its best. Regular reverse osmosis maintenance ensures clean, safe drinking water and prevents costly repairs. Our expert team provides fast, reliable service, tailored to the needs of Sherwood Park homeowners. Whether you need filter replacements, system cleaning, or troubleshooting, we've got you covered. With years of local experience, we understand the unique water quality challenges in Sherwood Park. That's why our maintenance services are designed to improve performance and extend the life of your system. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for professional reverse osmosis maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park. Contact us today or book online to keep your system in top condition.